Jesse Webb. I am inside sales, tech support, and the CNC machine shop manager here at H. Anderson Company. I believe it's going on 21 years I've been here. My way up to the machine shop, ran most of the machines out there except for some of the new ones, and learned a lot of machining techniques and programming out there. I would say I don't think a lot of people understand where this company started. You know, the innovation back in the 50s, coming up with the ideas that the original H. Anderson, Herbert Anderson, came up with was state-of-the-art back then. And then it took off from there. You know, he sold the patent for that original product and then designed the next product and moved that on into horticulture. And that's pretty rare these days. You don't see companies do that a lot. They have an idea and they spend a lot of money and they have a lot of R&D, and this guy did it out of his garage here in Muskogee. It's a grassroots company. This company came up from nothing, and it's really impressive. I think the fact that we can kind of control our own tolerances and equipment, we can make our own parts. I mean, we do the welding, the CNC machining, the assembly, the testing, R&D, you know, all that stuff is in-house. We don't outsource it, a lot of it, and we can really kind of maintain a really personal, I guess, relationship with the parts. You know, you're not counting on someone else to make it. We're making it. Our hands are on this. I mean, when a pump goes out the door, there's probably over 2 hours of just hands-on with that part. I would say it's the satisfaction of helping customers, because we're helping folks just like us, especially in the legacy hort, you know, mom and pop shops, small nurseries and stuff. So when they call up and they're in desperate need of help, and you're able to help them over the phone without selling them anything or pushing you know, service contracts or anything on them, that's really nice. Those customers are really appreciative, and they tell you, you know, over the phone, hey man, thank you, you know, you saved my day, you know, I didn't know it was that simple, and that's pretty nice. That makes it well worth it.